Currently, I am the content and project manager for Callure Media and Advertising in New York City. What I do is I create content for their clients, for their blog. I help them with projects, developing ideas. I participate in meetings to help facilitate a process or to develop product ideas. I was making a change in my life, and what I wanted to do was tap into a new base of skills. I needed to learn some new ideas, some new working skills. And so I found the best way to do that was to simply jump in. And by doing that, I grabbed an internship. And it was great because the internship allowed me an opening into a professional set of environments that before I would need experience to get. By taking the internship, what I did is I provided them with a couple of months of work in exchange for the opportunity to learn ideas and to gain work skills. And so it was really that motivation of they learned from me, I learned from them. It was very much a give and take situation. And that's why I got involved with the internship. But the beauty is that that's dovetailed into a job as soon as that internship was over. They were like, Ken, we don't want to let you go. We want you to stay with us. So I've continued working with them. And it just keeps snowballing. It's a great environment. One of the things I wanted to share was my idea that it's always important to be able to go back and to learn new skills. It's not as if you just go to school once and learn one set of skills and then you're set for the rest of your professional work life. You need to have opportunities to learn new skills and to get involved with different environments. And that's why this internship program is critical. It allowed me to move into a professional environment. Even though I've got 20 years experience in broadcasting, I knew little about advertising. But once that door was opened, I was able to dovetail my skills against the new company, and it made both of us even stronger. Without super interns, that never would have happened.